This is an Alberta emergency alert. Parkland County has issued a wildfire alert. This alert is in effect for Parkland County. There is a wildfire west of Tomahawk in the area of Range Road 62 and Range Road 70, and Township Roads 510 and 514. It is moving rapidly in a northwest direction. If you are in the affected area, fire growth is expected due to windy conditions. Crews will be working overnight to contain the fire. Please take all necessary precautions, including leaving the area. Residents who live west of Range Road 62 to the western border of Parkland County should be prepared for possible immediate evacuation. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.